Guys, it's Brandon here. I'm preparing my lunchbox. I have carrots in my lunchbox and I have an egg, hard-boiled egg. Now I'm gonna make sushi to add here. This is my sushi. This is cucumber. This is egg. This is a sauce. This is rice. Guys, now I'm gonna make the sushi. First, you make some rice. Some cucumber. Put a bit more rice. Not sticky enough. I'm making sushi. Remember sushi? I'm making sushi. Oh, there's sauce here. I forgot. Drop. Now to put my egg. Now that part to fold it. Make sure it's nice hard and hard. I mean nice and tight. Put all your leftover rice to make it sticky. Put all your leftover rice to make it sticky. Okay, this is enough. You fold it tightly done. Now you ask my dad to cut it. This is looking yummy now. Dad, can you help me cut this? This is too thick. Now, at the end for the half, it will look like this. This is another one. Now I'm gonna eat a carrot from my lunchbox. Now put all into my lunchbox. Now look, I have egg, I have carrots, and I have sushi I made just now. Loads of it. Now I'm gonna mix sauce. Shred my carrots. I'm going to try my sushi. Wow! Good.